Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Ajawi TV, where we discuss architectural and construction related topics. It's the Build with Ajawi series, guys. Today we selected tiles and all kind of good things to put in the building, and I'm very excited to actually move ahead. The slab pour, right? I'm gonna show you some shots of that. And we're now moving into putting in the finishing touches. The windows, we selected windows today. We selected shower tiles, so we're looking at a non-slip, a frictional tile for the shower. And for the wall, we select wall tiles and floor tiles. And we actually looked at cabinet for the bathroom. So we have one cabinet within the building and 3 pedestals. So we are at the point now where we're going to start moving into actual finishes and cleaning up and all of that. So we're ahead of time. It's a 6 months project. We're in the 3rd month and we're way ahead of the game. We're hoping to pull it off. The most important thing is we're in budget. So while we were discussing and while the contractor suggested a few materials, my main concern was the budget. Because you know me already, I always ask you, what is your construction budget? That is the first thing I work out whenever I'm doing construction. So all of the conversation that we had, the client was busy selecting what they liked, and I was there looking at what is the budget looking like and how will this decision impact the budget. So that is one thing that Ajawi is going to be adamant on. What is the budget, right? Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see this one pulled together and finish up, right? And to have the opportunity to show you what it is. I am keeping my fingers crossed. I am sticking close to the budget so that we can come in under budget or within budget. So I'll let you know how that goes as we go along, right? So my quantity surveyor's aim is to keep the project within that budget. There are a few areas that we have to reconsider. Firstly, the client like shoreline apparently, but the regular finish for the wall is seemingly cheaper. So that's something that we will be discussing. So I've already asked the QS to look at that, to look at the cost implication. How much more will it be to actually have the walls finished with not shoreline, shore coat. Shore coat. So the client likes shore coat, while the QS and I are more concerned about the budget. So I am also concerned about the quality of the work and actually getting the work done according to design. So let's see how that works out. I'm supposed to meet with him. We actually also selected toilets. So our toilet was shown to us that was $30-something thousand, which was way more than we had considered. When I checked it out, I went to Home and Things to see actually a toilet that was $12,000. See, there's a big difference in comparison. I actually also saw another one for $14,000. So I think we'll be selecting one of those two, $12,000 or the $14,000 one, depending on the client's taste. One is smaller. Obviously, the $12,000 one is a little bit smaller, but it does the same thing. It's not like select toilet, we go look at it every day and pretty up toilet. Toilet have to sit down and you do your business and you go about your business, right? So we're not trying to spend any big money on no toilet. We're trying to make sure that the project overall finish with good quality and actually looks good, feel good, and is completed in its entirety within the budget. That's the aim, right? That's the aim. All right, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you watch the next one. Make sure you say you like the next one. Make sure you say you like that one here. And make sure you say you like the ones before. Alright? Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you're living overseas and you're looking to do construction in Jamaica, Ajawi Construction is the company for you. Right? If you're looking to design your home and submit it to the parish council, we are architectural technologists. We actually do designs up to about 4,500 square feet. If it is above that, then I normally get a registered architect to be on my team, which you know that we partner with other professionals. I always have an engineer on my project. I always ensure that I put clients in the right position to be successful within their projects. So head on over to my website, that's ajawiconstruction.com. Make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm on TikTok though, guys. Alright, peace out. See you next time.